Dahil fit for life tayo, forever fit. Kumbaga yung journey natin, hindi lang tayo para fit bukas, para next week pumunta ng Boracay, o magsiswimming, or may pictorial, or may wedding, o may sagala. Fit tayo every day of our life and trying to be a better version of ourselves, spiritually, mentally, physically, and emotionally. So, after na fasting, after na workout, ang first meal, apat na Bicol Express, siyang afritada, tsaka, ano yung isa lang? Tsaka pastil. Tapos mahilig ako sa, ngayon, manggang hilaw, tapos biko, ube, halaya, ano yun lang? Cassava cake, ano pa yun?
Cassava.
Cassava, ube, halaya, ano pa yun? Biko.
Linopak.
Linopak?
Piche-piche.
Piche-piche, yun. So lahat yun, almost 3,000 calories isang kainan. Pero ang calorie intake ko for the day because of my movement and muscles is 4,200. Do what works for you. Tama kayo, mali ako. I'm not your doctor. Happy healthy!